Every time the season changes, so does my health. Sore throat, blocked nose, low energy. But this time, I'm prepared with Gutsy Immunity Defense. Just stir, tilt, pour directly in mouth, and it's done. The blueberry flavor is so delicious and refreshing. A powerful blend of probiotics, prebiotic, essential nutrients, and a herbal extract made to support and strengthen immunity. Immunity Defense has got my back. No sick days, no stress.